Welcome to Custom Pool Pro's customer story. Hear about our customer's experience. How did you find Custom Pool Pros?
So I saw a lot of advertisements. My girlfriend actually reached out to me and said, hey, look, we're having a lot of issues with another company. And if you want to move on, why don't you give these people a call? And it turns out that as soon as I called, I spoke to Tara, spoke to Tom. Within a day, I had Tom out to my property telling me where the possibilities of putting my pool would work best for my family. And from that point on, believe it or not, smooth sailing. I'm very, very, very thankful and grateful for Pool Pros.
What was your deciding factor for choosing Custom Pool Pros?
The deciding factor of going with Pool Pros was the fact that Tom not only took personal care from the minute I spoke to him. I knew already this is a whole different ball game. He explained to me step by step what the process would be, but not only that, he explained to me where there could be hiccups. He explained to me, hey, there are going to be some expenses that are unforeseen at this point in the project. When I had a question, he had an answer. It wasn't, oh, I don't know, approximately. I told him straight up, Tom, I have a certain budget. I need to stay within it. He said, I will make it work.
How was your experience when choosing options and materials for your new pool?
Well, the materials basically we reviewed before the project started. Tom and Tara both provided me with options. They told me basically what would work best with the color of my home, my backyard, what's more modern, what's more popular, things that would hold maybe value, resale value if you're going to sell the property, or just keep it, what would be the best for me. And I basically chose from those options, and they went from there.
How would you rate communication with Custom Pool Pros staff?
Communication was absolutely key. With the other company, it was terrible. I had to go from one department to another department. They close at this time, they open at that time, it's holidays. There was none of that. Communication was between two people. It was ideal. Anytime I had a question, I just texted, I got a response. It didn't have to be immediate, but I got a response. And it was timely. It wasn't like I was waiting 2-3 days. Someone got back to me within the day, maybe 2. That's it. That was phenomenal.
Does the pool fit your family's needs?
Well, we haven't had a chance to jump in it yet, but it definitely meets the needs of my family. I just needed something that was beautiful to the eyes when you wake up in the morning, little jacuzzi action, and I'm a happy guy. The kids, of course, as well.
What's your favorite part of the pool?
Well, the fact that the jacuzzi is right there in the pool and the filtration system works nicely with the pool. Tom and his crew were able to show me how to use some of the things, and they taught me how to adjust certain features to make it ideal for myself and my family. At nighttime, it lights up. The kids go bonkers. When they saw it for the first time, they went nuts. They were like, "Whoa, it lights up!" It was pretty cool. Yeah.
How do you feel coming home and having access to a pool at all times?
It's definitely pleasant to the eye. It's a relaxing feeling. Listen, even we live in the Northeast, right? So we're gonna use the pool 3, max 4 months out of the year. With a jacuzzi in the pool, you probably get a little more use out of it if you didn't have it. But it's definitely pleasant to see when you come home that you have it's a trophy.
How was your experience building a pool with Custom Pool Pros?
From A to Z, I have to tell you, there wasn't a day that I didn't have, well, a working day, let's just say, that I didn't have at least 1 to 2 people here. They said they were going to be here at 8 o'clock. They were here at 7. That's what I want. That's what all of us want. When you're paying money, hard-earned money, you want to see results. And you don't want to see, okay, we're here 2 days, another 3 days we're going to be somewhere else. No, these guys were here. Everything was timely. Tom said that one truck was going to come that day. It came. He said, I'm going to have 5 guys working that day. There were 5. He said, we're going to have to take off a day because it's raining. The next day they were back. There was no like searching for people. Where is everybody? What's going on? There wasn't any of that back and forth at all. It was phenomenal.
Would you recommend Custom Pool Pros?
I wouldn't recommend anyone else. I wouldn't recommend anyone else. I paid $15,000 to have Tom do my pool. I fired the other company, lost $15,000, which they would not return, and took on Tom. And it was the best decision I could have made. It was the best $15,000 I could have spent.
At Custom Pool Pros, our mission is to transform your backyard into a personal oasis through exceptional craftsmanship, transparent communication, and unwavering reliability. We pride ourselves on using only the highest quality materials paired with skilled artistry and an expedient work ethic to deliver stunning swimming pools that stand the test of time. From the first consultation to the final touch, we ensure a smooth, surprise-free process rooted in trust and clear communication. Let us bring your vision to life with a seamless experience that exceeds your expectations. Contact us today to begin a smooth journey to your dream backyard.